Hey!
You ready? Hey, how's everything going today? Welcome to another Where in the World with Woody. Well, today we're in the middle of Alberta at a private pheasant release site, and we've got some guys here from the Canadian Bobsled team. There's only 3 of them. One of them couldn't make it. And who are we talking to today?
Jesse Lumsden, crewman, 4-man bobsleigh team.
Ben Coquel, I'm the 4-man brakeman.
I'm Justin Cripps, pilot for the Canadian Bobsled team.
And I'm Ricardo, 4th man on the Canadian team.
So what we're going to do today, we're going to fire a few shots at clay pigeons. We're going to see if we can find some pheasants down here in the snow. We're going to have a really good time. We'll show you some pictures of what happens later. We'll get right back to you.
Here we have Doug Wood instructing some safety instructions for the guys, and which is very important. Safety is there's 3 rules: safety, safety, and safety. There's no democracy with it, and we're going to do that today. Is going to be just no different than any other hunt that the Red Deer Fish and Game put on. These people are very important in the youth program, and they're second to none.
No, but at the end, the challenge where we're
going to do the
15 of us lined up and
clay shooting with a long bow. And we're going to see what happens here.
Because the air is going to go whichever, left, right, or center. Well, that's okay. Sit. Holy!
Man, that was as close as it gets.
Hold up another arrow. Let's see another one here.
You were close.
Old longbows, man, eh?
Old longbow.
He's going to bore sight his arrow.
Like that guy that can shoot ducks out of the air?
I'm going to try to be like that guy.
You know who I'm talking about?
He's kind of more like that guy that shoots.
He shoots them right in the face.
He shoots ducks and geese while they're flying. It's amazing. Whoa!
Well, that's close.
That was pretty
I shot an arrow in the sky.
Try one more. Yeah. We'll try one. This is the one I made last night. It was a good luck. Fancy.
But you make your own arrows too. Yeah. Jeez, there's just no stopping you. Alrighty. Man,
The crowd goes, oh, that was excellent.
You got to go out there and pick up.
He's saving it for the bird.
Shoot them all off.
Here we're going to have a tag team shoot here. They're going to back each other up. Whoa! Dust to dust!
Listen to the safety off.
Take your safety off now. And you're the one that says
If we lead them, we've got a face of the 2, whoever.
Okay, you ready? It's a double daddy-o here.
Ready? Pull. Oh, what a video!
And that's all she's done. Rolling, and welcome to a great day in central Alberta. We're in November 17th here. Red Deer Fish and Game it's an unbelievable organization. We were lucky enough to be here today. Ricardo Morciel has invited the Canadian Olympic Bobsled team here. And we are going to have one heck of a safe pheasant hunt here. And I need a couple words here from Ricardo to see what's on the agenda.
Well, guys, we're glad to have you here. And as an organization from Red Deer Fish and Game, we welcome you. We enjoy you guys dedicating your lives to the sport of bobsledding. And for Canada, we thank you for that. We also would like to have you guys have a great event today. We have the president from Red Deer Fish and Game with us, and we have his dogs, and we have all the other team behind the scenes setting up today's hunt. You guys are going to get the opportunity to shoot some pheasants today, and you guys have had a good opportunity to shoot some clays already, and you guys are incredible shots, by the way, so that's good too. So thanks for coming, we appreciate it. And Doug, what do you got?
I'm really glad that they came along. We've been doing kids for 20 years, and finally got somebody that's taller than us. So, yeah, we got to thank the Red Deer Fish and Game for sponsoring the Alberta Youth Pheasant Program, along with ACA and everybody else who's contributed shells and clay pigeons and everything. But so that's really good to have a couple of guys out here that are away from their hard training in Calgary. I noticed there's one of you guys missing. Can I go down the hill with you guys in place of whoever's not here?
Absolutely, yep, absolutely.
Yeah, jump in.
Anyway,
So who do we have here? Can you guys introduce yourselves to the audience, please?
I'm Justin Cripps, pilot for the Canadian Bobsled team, and thanks very much, guys, for having us out. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I'm Ben Coco. I'm the four-man brakeman, and you're welcome to take a seat in my spot on the sled any day of the week. You come on over. I appreciate you guys having us out.
Good to have you. Thanks
I'm
for coming.
Jesse Lumsden, left side crewman in the foreman, and yeah, again, thanks guys. I think I brought the wrong gun with me today, but we're gonna give it a shot anyway. So
Right.
Thanks for coming.
thanks very much.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, you guys. And we'll catch you later with some more videos. I need another gunner right about here. What the hell happened here? Safety's off.
Daisy! Daisy!
Pull. Another lucky bird. Daisy.
He's coming back.
Okay.
Beautiful!
There we go. Robin Hood.
That was awesome.
Between trees.
Well, miss. First two arrows miss. Well, first arrow missed on the go, treat himself, and I got him right in the eye. So first pheasant with a bow. Good start to the day. This is gonna be fun.
Excellent job. Lead free.
Hey,
Lead
Doug,
free.
do you see where he hit it?
The John Neiman longbow, the Phoenix longbow, a gift after the 2014 Olympics from my family and loved ones. So this is awesome.
Okay, watch this. Look. Watch this. Watch the dog. Watch. He'll bring grease.
Did you shoot your arrow, Jesse?
Oh, yeah.
Here.
Daisy. You'll get a...
Good boy. He came out in the stubble field, remember? Drake, come.
The great thing about these arrows, they don't go very far.
Oh,
Drake, let me hold this locked up.
I got him.
Hit him! Again, you clipped him. I saw some feathers come off him. Yes! Hit it.
You hit
Good
it.
job.
Oh, he's still up.
He'll get it. He'll get it.
Don't shoot.
You're a better shooter than you are. Good shot, Ben.
I don't think I hit it.
Oh, somebody hit it.
I thought didn't the arrow clip it?
No.
Oh,
I thought I clipped it, but I don't know for sure.
oh, I thought the arrow.
Good boy, Drakey.
I had that one right in front of me.
Cage ball.
Nice shot, Ben.
Here.
You weren't ready?
This is a female, I didn't see color.
Holy mackerel! Where's the camera?
I went and shot. I shot my old
I drew,
school style that
and
time,
nothing
though,
came.
right?
I have no idea.
Help.
Oh!
Here.
Roxy, come here.
Drake here.
Safety's off. Safety's off.
Oh, they get up and get going in a hurry, don't they? Well, we got
Shoot! Shoot!
Can't stop. No, no, no. If you hit it, it would fall. Like that.
Boy, wasn't that amazing, guys?
Nice job.
I think they chased him out already.
Well, no one went in there. Those were all hens that got up. Where is he? It was.
I'm pretty sure I clipped him. I'm pretty sure.
We'll see it on the video.
You guys shredded him, but I'm pretty sure I clipped him.
Look at that.
I think all three of us hit him.
I fucking tagged him big time.
Watch out, the rope there.
Come here.
Video review.
So just the very last part of this, where in the world is Woody? They're signing a helmet here. And Evan, if you were here in Canada, these guys would probably put your name on it. But you're not here yet.
Look at that baby.
That's pretty nice.
So thanks, guys. You know, on behalf of Red Deer Fish and Game, I want to thank you guys again for the generosity that you've shown our club. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to take this helmet and auction it off at the Smoker Night in April of this year. And we invite you guys to come participate and raise the money for our organization. It was an absolute pleasure having all of you here today. Thank you ever so much. And Woody's offer, this protege is all good. So thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for bringing this to us.